Guys, so here we are. Today we're doing the clutch on the Banshee project. We were able to get the lock washer in. We're doing some mock-up stuff too, but right now mainly we're just going to be stacking plates. I've got plates soaking now, and yeah, if you guys have any questions, like I said, we'll throw a note in on the torque specs on that, and that way you guys can use them if you need them. But doing the Hinson full clutch like we said before. So we're just gonna time lapse that out, let you guys see it. If you guys have questions or comments, concerns, let us know. Also, guys, still doing the 10 hoodies for the 1,000 subs, so be sure to give us a subscribe. And check us out at alwayslookingforadventure.com, guys. That really helps us out, helps us keep these projects rolling. So yeah, here we go. Hey guys, I wanted to jump on really fast. Give you a quick update. So, you guys have seen the transition from iPhone, we got our GoPro going, but I wanted to let you know we had some issues with some footage, so some of this was confusing. Thanks for bearing with us. And super stoked about the direction we're getting ready to move forward in. Where we're at right now, I've taken a lot of time to sift through some footage and compile all that. So I just want to jump on, let you know this is the end of this video. Check out our next one, and we're working on organizing these videos as we go, so we'll clean those up for you guys and make them easier to follow. Just wanted to say thank you guys for tagging along. Hopefully this helps. If you guys have any questions on the Banshee project so far and where we're at, I'd love to give you the update on where that's going to be. Also, we're going to be trying to get some updates pretty regularly moving forward. And I came out and looked at it today, and I've got some wiring stuff that I'll actually go through a whole video on because I spent some time on YouTube and no one's really touched on it. So I will look into that and do a video specific and explain why I do that to come. But yeah, thanks guys for checking us out. Like I said, if you have any questions on this build, I'm more than happy to answer them for you. And we're seeing light at the end of the tunnel on this, so super stoked to see her come together, and just wanted to shout out and say thanks so much. Check out our other videos, and we'll have more to come soon. Appreciate you guys.